What is controlling you? What is enslaving your thoughts?
We're all going through a battle in our mind. The biggest war you're ever going through is right between your own ears. We're all going through a war in our mind, and we have to callous our mind to fight that war and to win that war. Our whole life is set up in the path of least resistance. We don't want to feel discomfort. So the whole time, we're living our lives in a very comfortable area. There's no growth in that.
You have control over your mind. You just have to assert it. You have to decide that you are going to be in control, that you are going to do what you want to do. Don't let your mind control you. Control your mind. Weakness doesn't get a vote. Laziness doesn't get a vote. Frustration, no vote. Negativity, they don't get a vote. The next time that you're feeling weak, or you're feeling lazy, or you're feeling soft, or you're feeling emotional, tell them they don't get a vote. Impose the discipline and the power and the positivity and the will, and use that mind control to move your life where you want it to be. And then you can set it free.
How you become a better person, how you gain mental toughness, how you become the person you want to be is constantly facing the things that you don't want to face. Once the mind knows you're not going to quit something, you're not going to take the path of least resistance. You're going to stay here until it's done. It's going to try to find more.
Don't shape yourself around the comings and goings of this world, because there's going to be blessings, there's going to be opportunities. Oh yes, there's going to be some struggles, it's going to be some challenges, it's going to be some tests, but even the struggles are an opportunity for me to show off the victory if my mind can handle the change. Be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed. As soon as you decide to stop looking for answers in other people and miracles somewhere down the yellow brick road and click the heels of your mind, you could have been free years ago. If you can get your mind out, no devil in hell, no weapon formed against you, no enemy that hates you can stop you from being free.
You are the master of your own mind. Create that masterpiece. Be proud of yourself at the very end of it all.